Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you a super fun and easy way to create your own stickers for WhatsApp using just your smartphone and a simple app. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download an app called Sticker Maker. When you have got the app installed, open it up and log in. After login, you will see many sticker packs here. You can click add and add them to your WhatsApp. Also, you can convert any of your photos into stickers. Tap on plus icon. Now tap on regular. Now select one photo from your gallery. Once you have selected your photo, use your finger to trace around the part of the image you want to turn into a sticker. Once you are done, tap on Save Sticker and repeat this process for each sticker you want to add to your pack. Now that you have created your stickers, it's time to add them to WhatsApp. Tap on Add to WhatsApp and confirm your action. And just like that, your stickers are now available in WhatsApp for you to use in your chats. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy sticker making.